Okay, this is the homework video 3-2. I'd like you to copy all this work on graph paper as best you can, and then write down the secret words to let me know that you were listening. So here we go. That first one there. Again, I'm having you do a double transformation and then a new one trying to figure out what happens. So here I go. If I say translate 3, 5, that means I'm moving to the right 3 and then up 5. Every point, right 3. So this A point going right 3, up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 should be right here if you do that accurately. And then move the other ones. Right 3, up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's going to be the new B. And then take C and do right 3, up 5. Should be right up here if you translated that accurately. First word is spin, spin. The next thing you do after moving it right 3, up 5, noticing that if I drew an arrow connecting each dot, it's going right 3, up 5, right 3, up 5. Then I need you to reflect across this y-axis, which is this up and down line right here. So I'm going to go equal distance on either side of that line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on this side for the new reflected A double prime. B double prime will be the same distance on either side. And then C, that same distance all the way down, will give you that mirror image, equal distance on either side of that reflection line. That's how you get those reflected same distance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Different than a slide. Then what I'd like you to do is show me a point and then write the math that's going on, because this point 3, 2, where it started, is now going to this new point for A, which is A prime, which is the point 6, 7. If I did that work right, this adding 3 and adding 5 should affect my coordinate and give me those new numbers, and that's true. 3 plus 3, 6. 5 plus 2, 7. Or the x number started here at 3 and then went up 3 more to get 6. That's where I got that number right there. And then, of course, the last one, going to the new A double prime. When you reflect over an x or y axis, one of the coordinates stays the same, but the other one will be opposite. The coordinate that stays the same always matches the x or y axis that you're reflecting over. These points showing the x number be opposite, but these y numbers are the same. That shows that you reflected over that y-axis. That's what always happens. Reflect over the y-axis, the y numbers stay the same, but the x numbers opposite. Reflect over the x-axis, the x numbers stay the same, but the y numbers opposite. The next problem is having you take a look and figure out your transformations from 1 to this triangle up here, which is really going to be triangle 3. So the way to do this, and by the way, the second word is fish, fish. The way to do this is first reflect over a y-axis or an x-axis first, just to see what you got. So I'm going to first reflect this over the y-axis, equal distance on either side, just to see what I got. And I could see if I reflect over the y-axis, it's going to be hard to get to that red spot right there. So I'm thinking reflecting over the y-axis was not the way to start. Let's try reflecting over this x-axis and see what I get. So when I reflect over the x-axis, equal distance, let's see the shape of my triangle. And I could see with that reflection, it looks super similar to this one I'm trying to get up here. I can see that all I got to do now is try to map this movement right here, because that is the last transformation. So here I go. First, what I did to get this, I reflected over the x-axis. First, reflect over the x-axis. Then, what I did here, and I got to map that, it looks like I went left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Looks like I'm going left 10. And then from there, I'm going up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Looks like I'm going up 11. Left 10, up 11. So then translate left 10, up 11. So that's how you do these mystery ones. First, reflect over a major axis and see what you got. If that first reflection don't get you there, reflect over the other axis to see. Because one of those reflections is going to give you that shape the way it should be, and it's going to be up to you to move it. All right, the last word is, let's go yellow, yellow. Good luck. See you tomorrow. Progress report grades are on Friday.